Okay, I'm going to introduce you now to the site editing part of the website system, Cornerstone website system. So here we're looking at the dashboard, and if you click on sites, let's look at St Aidan's as an example. So if I click edit that, so you may just have one site on your system. Okay, so we've got these fields in the back which work like a form, and on the front we've got the website itself. So the thing you need to get yourself familiar with is the different sections here and what they're referred to as. So let's just go through them from the top. First of all, we've got this area here, and on the back that's referred to as the main heading area. And as we move down here, this is referred to as the welcome area, and you can find the settings for the different sections are simply accessible here. So the welcome area is here, edit welcome area. We've also got new visitors and feature area. We've got section boxes. Let's go and look at them. So that's the welcome area. These are the section boxes. This is the featured area, and this is the new visitors area. So if we were going to edit the top section here, it's called the main heading area. You just click on here, edit main heading area, and when we click that, all these boxes open up, these fields, and this is where you type in the text which is going to appear on the top of the website. So we welcome you to our church family. So you want to change that word that's underlined, you would change this word you here, and it's called highlighted phrase. So homepage text highlight phrase is just edited here. So you just need to find the corresponding place to edit. In fact, you can even add the link here if you want to link it to a different page on your website. Let's go on. The next one here is called the section boxes. And for section boxes, there are 3 of them. Each comes with a picture and a link. So you just need to change the pictures and change the links. If you need to change one of these section boxes, here they are, to link to a particular page. So let's say we want them to go to the join in. I'm just going to find the link and go back to section boxes. So I want this one here for groups to be linked up, and all you would need to do is you would find groups. Here it is, and it says link. So you just paste the link wherever you want it to appear. Okay, so that's simply how it works. So if I move down, you can even turn them on and off by saying display no, and that will hide it entirely. So if I go to welcome area, edit welcome area, why not gather together with us, and then we have a block of text here. So if I go to the welcome area here, why not gather with us, and a block of text and a button. So on the back, why not gather together with us, this is where you change the text. This is your block of text which appears on the left, and then we have image 1 and image 2, and then the button link. So if I wanted to change the 2 pictures that appear here on the right, and I just select one here. So if I click on choose media, I can now upload a new file, or I can choose one from the media library. So let's change that one there to love. Choose media, update. Let's have a look at the front, and now it's changed. So moving down, we've got the what's going on, that's automatically generated by the notices. We've got the featured area, so what's that? It's a button, an image, and some text again. So let's have a look for the featured area. And I'll click remove the edit, find featured area, there it is. These are the fields, text, button, link, it's all in there. If I don't want it to display, I just click on display featured area, turn that off, and if I finish editing I can use that button there. Okay, and back to the front again. Visiting us for the first time, that's the new visitors area, so it's text and a button and a background image. So let's find that new visitors area, and as you'd expect, we've got text, we've got a button link that's already set to the getting started page, and we've got a background image which you'll recognize because it's on the front. So it's as simple as that. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to change the fields here and you'll recognize the changes are reflected. And all you need to do is use the update button. There are a few more advanced features that you might want to look out for, which can be covered in another video, including the social media links that appear in header and footer, and some of these buttons here which control the type of site, which you don't need to use unless you're using a multi-site setup. You can also control the colors on your website here, but you should be very careful with this because these will be set up when the website is first created, and it's quite important that the color themes match the style, and they do actually reflect the whole of the site. So the header, the footer, all different parts are based on the same color theme. So just be careful before you go on the advanced section there. That's why it's called advanced. And I hope you find that useful. Then if you want to take a look at the other videos, there's plenty to go through. Posts, which is for blogs, team members, notices, events, and all the other content types.